Okay, so moving on to part 7, area of a sector. It gives us a formula there, and it tells us that A is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. Remember, A is your area, R is your radius, and theta is your angle in radians. Now remember, a sector of a circle is like a piece of the circle, so it's like a piece of the entire pizza. So we're just going to look for the area of that. So example 1 there tells us, it wants to know how many square inches of pizza have you eaten, rounded to the nearest square inch, if you eat a sector of an 18-inch diameter pizza whose edges form a central angle of 30 degrees. So we want to know how many square inches. Well, area is what's measured in squared units. So we're looking for the area of this slice. All right, so it tells us here that if you eat a sector of an 18-inch diameter pizza, so that tells me that my radius is equal to 9 inches, because remember, radius is half of the diameter, and it tells us that the central angle is 30 degrees. So we know our theta is 30 degrees, but according to our formula, and in fact we're doing a word problem, we know we got to change that to radians, so I'm going to multiply that by pi over 180 and reduce that, and we get pi over 6. So we know that our area then is equal to 1/2 r squared times theta. And so we just plug this in, and we get 21.206 inches squared, but it tells us that it wants it rounded to the nearest square inch. So we're just going to have 21 squared inches.